Assalamualaikum semuanya, apa kabar? Hari ini kita lagi ada di tempat budidaya jamur. Brian katanya pengen belajar untuk budidaya jamur. Saya nggak ngerti kenapa, tapi sudahlah ya. Jadi yuk ikutin. Nah, di dalam sini ada 7 jenis mushroom. Most likely atau didominasi sama oyster, jamur oyster.
See how it goes up and down? Right? Most of them are on the straight line, but this one is just beginning to undulate.
Okay, I think
You can see really minor undulations here. In a day or so, that cap will be about this big, and those undulations will be about this deep. At that point, it's ready to pick.
It'll grow that much in one day?
Oh, sure.
Wow.
Yeah, you can watch mushrooms grow. You don't need time lapse. You have several of those that are, yeah. As soon as one of the mushrooms on the cluster begins this undulation, they're not going to get any bigger. And the next thing they're going to do is spore. And when they do, those spores will totally stick to whatever they land on. I had a pink oyster mushroom spore my wife's Corel plates. 180 degrees when I brought it in here last night. It's down to 100. So it's okay, we can inoculate it 100 degrees. Yeah, because we had to eliminate all the competition. That's what all the eating is about.
Oke, jadi ini Brian lagi bikin straw-nya buat si jamur. Straw itu jadi si jamur akan tumbuh di dalam sini. Jadi Brian di sana lagi nge-packing straw atau tempat tumbuhnya jamur sama bibitnya jamur di dalam plastik.
And since we're not going to have any bark beetles or woodpeckers pecking holes in here, we got to make them ourselves.
And this is where they'll grow out of?
Yeah, and I usually don't poke holes below about this close, because if you put them on the shelf, you get mushrooms down here, the gills will be stuck to the shelf. If you're going to hang the kit up, then you can poke holes all the way down to the bottom.
Dan akhirnya kita selesai belajar sedikit tentang jamur, dari belajar jenis-jenis jamur, terus gimana cara membudidayakannya, dari proses nyampur bibit sama tempat untuk tumbuh si jamur, lalu ngepackingnya, lalu abis itu di storage atau disimpan hingga siap panen. Kalau untuk jamur yang kita packing hari ini, jangka waktu untuk harvest atau panennya adalah 30-40 hari. Oh iya, ada satu hal yang menarik. Ternyata pemilik dari tempat budidaya jamur ini, dia juga membuat tempe. Dan dia belajar tempe ini dari salah satu perempuan Indonesia di Amerika.